Today we're there with
Yaksta the Bush lad from St. Mary representing live. Bush.
Yaksta. Who is your biggest influence in music?
Life. If we're talking about like musicians, there are a variety of them still, you understand? Because my influence based upon the person's persona and the type of song. But if we're talking about favorite artists, there are several, you know? And we can list. You see me? You don't know you have Beanie Man, you have Bunty, you have Addy, you have Vado, you have Idonia, you have Govey, you have Chronicler, you have Chronix, you have Massacre, you have even Alkaline. You see me? Them people are the people who sit down and listen every day. You see me I say? And Lee like it. Yeah.
Alright. You have any favorite song of yours or you like or you're not a favorite?
Boogie Woogie. Yeah. And me have a new girl song right now I go run the place. Name Hooked on You. Yeah man. I mean I give it a feature for the program. Yeah.
Yeah man, alright, give me a piece of DJ.
Ask how you bless her. She say you're probably ja. Me fi control that. Turn me in a manager. Say if you take time please cause she's an amateur. I go left your flat belly looking like a fanny pack. Neck and wrist bracelets full of gold and carry rack. How me fi break when I show run for my manager. Preps man par with a tile for your talipa. Side piece to size up. Know your place. Different caliber. Bush.
Views of the people. You understand? Don't be a user of the people. Yaksta the Bush lad from St. Mary representing. Wow.
Alright, DJ, big up yourself. Don't drop and dig up yourself. Don't go take coke and figure up your health. Don't make no man lift up your belt. If you drop, brush off, pick up yourself.
It's without an after that.
Excuse me, the pagans. Age and seek validation. A toast and admiration. From who? From you now, your patrons. You're boasting about name brands. But that's over 8 grand. The whole England have the same one. The class of a straight pants. So how you go? Why you wanna come? Alright, I went nowhere to park it, boy. I buy shop a Louis V. I went there is a target. Alright, no me I am my face me. I two minds me a save it. But then to bend go blend if it trendy. Alright, bank account empty. So make me sing acres over market. Alright, make my wife what you want. Because when I can read up. Time to go to the little. Yeah. And I say poetry. Oh Lord, yes. Bad man, AJ, I say. Well, a bomb stab about it, bomb skid on about stop about it, bomb skid on. A bomb stab about it, bomb skid on stop about it. Hey, I'm back around the gas station. My name is AG. My back to there. Listen, that's all I got. Bam stabadabadi, bam skidam badabadam, stam stabadabadi, bam skidam. A bam stabadabadi, bam skidam badabadam, stam stabadabadi. Hey, a baccarat me can't stand nasty. A 12 pills with the party. And I creating the party. Pull up the coachy beg your party. Listen me, custom made from my classy. Birth me jeans a Versace. They said the woman them a natural Barbie. They make me image disgustingly classy. Everywhere we go, we take a racket on the stereo. And let the kids about the islands. Just nice to step on the island. Hold on, oh well. Everywhere we go, we take a racket on the radio. No matter how man of a white pan. I AG on the island. Give me a mix. Boom. Say IBs, so that's so come me like. Girl, I give me room. Say she want me come me like. So me bust the curtain and let some sunny night. A burst upon the trees and my mind to justify. Shut as they alone, arms close, no matter try. The way me get my grains, if me ever bust the rice. The streets they go wrong, so no matter broke the vibes. They dance tonight, one.
Yes. This is the one and only Shanique Marie, and I am here representing for Views of the People. What we said, don't be evil, don't separate the people. Make sure you watch Views of the People. Boom, out.
Look on vehicle. Three wheel.
Happy days are here again. So put a smile upon your face. Because of the people you are a winner. Na 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 na. Yeah, you don't know your voice, you know it's reggae max.